Welcome everyone, guys. Today we are going to talk about the English phrase rule of thumb. Rule of thumb means general rule or standard principle. The following are the sentence examples of this English phrase. Let's talk about them one by one. First one is that we should post original content on YouTube platform. It is rule of thumb. The second sentence example is that it is rule of thumb of social life that we should not cheat others. Similarly, guys, you can also make your own sentence examples using this English phrase in the comment section, and I would respond each of your comment. In this way, you can improve your writing skills. In the end, guys, I would request you please support me by subscribing my channel so that I may bring more beautiful words and videos for you. Thank you so much for listening me. Please take care of yourself and your family. Bye.